In the previous section, we talked about the applicant's perspective, the way the applicants look at the recruitment process of the organization. Okay, so different pros and cons for that. Okay, so let's now return back to our employer. Okay, so those who are into this course are basically concentrating on being a recruitment manager. Okay, or already have the recruitment manager just to upgrade themselves or update themselves on the different processes. So the next important part is that of the recruitment is that in planning the recruitment processes, a crucial questions that comes in, that needs to be answered or comes in the mind is that whom should we recruit. Okay, so that is what we call as the targeted recruitment. Okay, because the targeted recruitment is the way the entire process works. Although the applicants pool is created, but it's always a targeted one. Okay, so the questions that need to be answered affects that what organization recruitment message organization communicate. For example, when recruiting a former employees, the employers do not need to provide such information about the organization. How the organization publicize the position. For example, the recruiters looking to fill up the positions with older workers could be recognized. They can be less likely to be use some form of the social media. Relatively little research are addressed on the topic of the target recruitment, but has been seen. However, combining the existing research with the practitioner existing research that has been done, and on the basis of the practitioners report, now the targeted recruitment becomes the important, and the employers usually focus on the skill, experience, educations, and other workers related attributes for deciding what groups of the target to be recruitment for targeted to be recruited, such as narrow focus on understandable, but employer could benefit for broadening the image of the factor consideration. Looking at the jobs applicant's perspective offer insight into the factors that consider for deciding whom to target for recruitment. Now it's important here to understand that we have got the positions attractiveness is one of the important perspective for any targeted candidate. So researchers also have shown that the jobs candidate evaluate the overall attractiveness of the job opening based on the desirability of the attributes it's offer, their likelihood of receiving a job offer, and the number of alternative options they have. Detailed discussions of the various attributes that makes a job at very attractive will not be part of this detail because it's entire into a research topic, and because it is difficult to change the individual attributes about the organization, it makes sense to target individuals who are positively or predisposed for to working there. This may include people who have previously applied for the positions of the organizations, people who follow the organizations on social media, current customers of the organizations, people who will not need to relocate, and the people who have the similar or type of the current employees. The course employer must be sensitive. Of course, employer need to be sensitive to the diversity issues when targeting the employees similar to the current issues. However, if it is the entire recruitment process is done in a right way, that can be position may be more attractive. To increase an individual's expectancy of the receiving a job offer, employees should be clear in recruitment communication about what the ideal job candidate look like. To minimize the person's perceptions of having better alternative of the job opening, being considered, the employer may want to target the candidates who have few alternatives. For example, when filling up the lower level positions, organizations have been successful by targeting long-term unemployed and individuals with some, specific records. No employer wants to hire who are not good fit in terms of their skills or expectations. Two factors to consider recruitment for the candidate under understanding on what the positions entails is the positions insight, okay, and the candidate's awareness of his or her talents or interests, that is the self insight. To maximize the both the factor, it makes sense to focus on the recruitment carefully. So, recruiting former employees who have performed well in the past is likely to result in new hires with the huge positions insight and self insight. Former employees are generally need less training and are less likely to quit. Former interns, temporary workers of the candidates who have worked in the similar job or the employers are likely to be considered positions insight, have considerable positions insight and self insights. Recruiters who have the family members or the friends who are working in the organization and should have greater insight into the working of the organization than the people who lack such connections. Four specific groups are considered uh, next to highlight the value of making the thoughtful decisions about the target recruitment processes. The first is the targeting the customers. A number of organizations have targeted their customers for recruitment. Some of the organizations, it was surprised to see that they have got the career information at the bottom of the packaging cartoons for their products. Okay, so they have the people who are hunting for the different their targeting customers can be a particularly effective strategies for small organization because their customers are usually easy to contact and have the good sense of workplace and have some the positive impression about these workforces. Now, factoring in geography, location for job is a recruiting factor that has received a little attention in recent years. The number of employees in the low population states have found it difficult for job filling locally. To address this, many organizations have launched a program that reaches out to the former residents in hope of filling the critical positions. Many of the positions like are the teachers and the nurses. Uh, some organizations have much luck on when it is placed in the job advertisement in the major cities that is seen in many of the countries there. And when it is heard that a particular the geography is hiring some people who has actually migrated from their positions, come who are willing to come back. Okay, so especially in India, if we talk about those people who belong to the eastern part of India and working with different areas or their home state, they would like to come to the home state depending upon if they are factored on the geographical aspects. And then targeting seniors, the individuals are those who have been often overlooked as the sources of the recruitment. This is a mistake actually if you are not able to target the seniors. So many organizations actually target the seniors and bring them to the organizations because of the various factors that they were the former employees and they know each and every parts of the organization, so the position insights and the self insights is very high. Okay, and then we have to go for the targeting for the diversity. So many employees are committed to making a diverse workforce because it makes a good business sense. Recently, it has been long, discussion about the gender diversity. We talk about the different diversities related to work population. inclusion of different specially abled persons in the organizations. Okay. So we talked about the different critical issues. These are for the targeted recruitment. Now once we have addressed the critical issues of the targeted recruitment processes on the basis of their customer geography, they are targeting the seniors or for diversity, it's important to communicate the masses of the recruitment. So an employer's recruitment masses is the major factor affecting whether the people apply for or accept the jobs. To craft an effective recruitment messages, the organization should begin with asking the following four questions. That is, does the message present the information that is important to the target group? Is the information specific? Is the information phrased appropriately? And is the information realistic? Different opinion exists among what constitutes a recruitment message. Some experts takes a micro perspective and considers each communication with a perspective employee, such as comments made by the recruiters or the contents on a website as a separate messages. Other takes more as a macro perspective and view the recruitment processes as a totality of the information exchange as the organization has with a prospective employer over the course of recruitment processes. Messages credibility is the fundamental to the process of recruitment effort. To strengthen candidates' perceptions or credibility, recruitment managers should be considered three factors. First, recruitment communication should be greater credibility if they provide some negative information about the job opening. For example, evening and weekends work required. Second, credibility is enhanced if they what is said about the job is different sources. For example, supervisor, co-workers is consistent. Finally, credibility is increased if some of the information comes from the sources external to the organization. For example, positive reviews or the third party website are generally seen as being the more objective than the employer provided testimonials. Awards from the external sources may be seen as the credible sources by judging an employer, such as the good place to work. Even a smaller organization can compete for awards, as there are often categories for smaller businesses. Many organizations begin with the to craft the recruitment message by gathering the information about the required knowledge, skills, attributes, and other characteristics for the positions and the job descriptions. Employer want to communicate the job requirement to prospective applicants, but too often they focus on the qualities they want in the applicants and give insufficient attention to what that they can offer an applicants. They forget that recruitment is a two-way street in which each of the parties is marketing itself to the other. The one-sided approach can result in the good candidature losing the candidates in the job opening. To discover the desirable attributes positions offer, employers may need to conduct a different type of job analysis. Once that focuses on discovering the positive job features and can be used to sell the individuals on the position that as extracting what it offers. Let's try to answer the all the four questions that was posed to us while deciding whether good recruitment masses can be catered or not. The providing, the recruitment providing the important information for that. The recruitment masses should be included detail about the duties, work schedules, location, benefit. If an organization is targeting specific type of people, it should be sensitive towards their unique information needs. Usually parents of the younger children's, for example, may be interested in working from home. It can be tricky for a small employer to decide what information provided in the earlier recruitment messages. Organization wants to attract candidates' attention, but they do not want to lose them without making their best case. In this regard, the experts suggest that the smaller employers emphasizes on special aspects of working there. And the employer often provide specific information. Answering to this part is that employer often provide information in the job listing that is too general to attract the potential candidates. For example, would you like to be more attractive to an organization that says its values its employees, or to the organization that lets the potential of the employee know that no one here has been laid off in last 10 years? Would a job seeker be more likely to apply for the organization that says its benefits are excellent, or to one that specifies that new employees receive 3 weeks of vacation to start? Of course, there is a risk that providing such specific information that will turn away some candidate, but those people may be unlikely to accept the job offer anyways. On the other hand, starting with such specific information on the start may encourage some good job offer acceptance. Another benefit of to providing specific information upfront is that it may result into individual paying more attention to the information presented. Compensation is one of the important to job seekers, no doubt. For all the studies says the same. So the employer may want to consider providing that information when advertising the position. Most organization uses the phrases like compensation is competitive in the job advertisement, but how many prospective candidates likely know what does that mean? Some experts says that publicizing a salary range, this may seems to be radical step, but because this information is now available on internet, or we can say anyone doing on the Glassdoor, publicizing information range allows an organization to appear more open and transparent, and may allow it to correct an erroneous information that has been made on the internet sites. Now it's important to phrase the masses recruitment masses correctly, because wording matters. Using the phrase language is essential, because the lack therefore can cause the qualified individual not to apply for the job opening, or lead to the possible legal challenges. Employees should be steer clear of the gender oriented wordings. The lessons here is that the recruitment manager must be careful about how to write job advertisement. Although there may not be intention to discourage the members of the protective group for applying, it can still happen. The person need to provide the realistic information. It is common for the new employees to feel that their new job is not what they expected. They may feel that they do not have they did not have done enough researches about the job or the employer, or they may feel that they're intentionally misled by the organization. Because the disillusionment has been linked with the high turnover, the job performance, number of organization has tried to improve the accuracy of the job expectation held by the new employees. One approach to the targeted job candidate who are likely to pose the accurate job expectation. Second approach is to provide realistic job preview during the recruitment processes. Although recruitment realistic purview are frequently discussed as being one-time event, such providing applicants has been the booklet that has been describing the job other, and so on. The employer need to provide a candid description about the job opening and the website along with the description. Additionally, realistic information may provide during the phone interview or a tour to the work site and so on. Alternative approaches can maybe better fit to a particular job opening. There is always a risk in providing the realistic job information that may cause some desirable candidate to withdraw their applicants, but this should be not be viewed as negative. It is quite likely that they would have been unhappy if they hired into a job that is not meant met with their expectations, resulting into greater turnover or attrition for lower motivation. A final benefit in providing the realistic information is that the candidate are more likely to view the job related information as credible. Now, this recruitment message already, although it has been communicated, is important to for any organization or the recruitment manager to create an employment brand. So even if you have made the contact with the intended audience, those targeted with are not paying attention to the recruitment processes. Researchers says that people spend less than 80 seconds reading their job relevant advertisement. One way to attract the attention to the right candidate is to get spend more time in considering about the job opening is has the strong employer brand. An employment brand reflects the organization's reputations, its values, culture, how it treats the employees, their level of engagement. Every organization has one, whether it is the international or not, to be effective employer brand should be effectively managed to convey why potential candidates should be interested in working for an organization. To develop an accurate employer brand statement, an employer can gather information from its employees via the focus group survey or one to one interviews. An effective employment brand must be authentic, consistent with the organization's overall brand. This is particularly true today because the information about the employees is readily available in the third-party sources like Glassdoor or the details in different website. Okay. In addition to the accurately describing what the organization with an organization means, is it that if the it is also critical about the brand is visible and engaging to prospective recruits. The brand can be described as an organization's website, conveyed in the social media, featured in a television ad, or communicated through the sponsored event on colleges, campuses. Recruiters can communicate with the employment brand directly by how they treat candidates, describing the applicant's processes. Every organization has attractive qualities it can showcase. For example, some people will find the idea of working for the federal, the government job very unappealing. For others, that means for the job security, flexible, schedules and the ability for telecommunicates, all the the positive features. So it depends upon the individual to individual, uh, mm, person to person. Most of the researches of the employment branding has been focused on the large organization. However, small organization can also benefit from the employment branding. Employment brand can help them change the stereotype held with the entire studies. The employment brand should need be accurately stated and effectively publicized. It's important that the communication should be there. Okay. Now, if they actually increases the attention giving the job advertisement, reputation of the employers increases the choice, increased number of job applicants, increased diversity of the applicants, and the open positions filled in more quickly.